Well, it certainly does catch our attention. I think we are ready for school to start, and a lot of what we had in place as far as last school year, we're keeping in place this school year. So I think the most important thing in all of this is we've said all along, don't drop your guard. Try to be very vigilant in how we're handling this, sanitizing. If you're feeling sick, stay home. We're continuing to move forward with our quarantine measures. I know sometimes some school districts have not done the 10-day quarantine. They might put something in place as soon as you feel better, come back, and that's not something we're going to do. So I think we have a good plan in place. I feel good about it, and we're welcoming our staff and kids back on the 10th, and we'll monitor very, very closely.
Definitely. Now, I know some teachers, students, and staff can be worried. Any advice or anything for them that you would let them know?
Well, I would just say that that's only normal to have the anxiety and the nerves. I think we all do. The other thing, though, is that we're keeping our shields for those students, and in the key areas, we're also keeping the desk shields. And that's important, too, just to kind of help prevent the spread. But we also are doing a very, very heavy job of sanitizing daily, just reminding our parents, keep a close eye on the kids at home before you even send them to school. And just to reassure our staff and our students, last year we made it through the whole year without hardly having any cancellations of sports teams and school closures. I think our team did a very, very good job. Proud of our teachers and administrators. We would definitely want to pick right back up where we left off.
Lastly, thank you. And then Fremont ISD, I know they're doing like a limited remote learning type thing for kindergarten through 6th grade. Is this something CCISD would look into or has in plan?
That is something that we did look into when it did not pass through the legislative session and the state decided not to allow that for school districts. We did not pursue it. But what I would say is that if it came to a point that the numbers were that alarming and we would need to reevaluate, we certainly would take a look at it at that time.
Definitely. And my last question before you go. How excited are you for today? This is back to school. It's a week away. How excited?
We are very excited, at the same time just anxious as everybody else. We liked our numbers as far as the number of kids coming back to school. They're pumped and excited. We've had a chance to spend some time these last couple of weeks with our new teachers, elementary and secondary, and so they're pretty pumped up. And I think that everybody is ready to be among everybody else and be a team, and that's what we're here today to celebrate the CCISD team.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
You
Dr.
bet.
Hernandez.
Thanks for being here.